Hi all, I am Suchithra, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to see about the topic notations in problem solving and C programming. First, we will see what is algorithm notation, that is expressing algorithms. An algorithm is a sequence of finite instructions often used for calculation and data processing. Algorithm can be expressed in many kinds of notation, including we can say pseudocode, flowchart, and programming language. What is pseudocode? Pseudocode is a detailed description of what a computer program or algorithm must do, expressed in a formally styled natural language rather than in a programming language. Pseudocode is sometimes used as a detailed step in the process of developing a program. We can see a small example. Compute the area of rectangle. Get the length L and width W. Compute area equal to L into W. Display area. Compute the perimeter of the rectangle. Read length L. Read width W. Compute perimeter equal to 2 into L plus 2 into W. Display perimeter of the rectangle. What is flowchart? A flowchart is a diagram that graphically represents the structure of structure. The flow of system in a process, algorithm, or a sequence of steps and decision for execution a process or solution of a problem. Flowchart are easy to understand diagram that show how the step of a process fit together. Flowchart symbols. Flowchart tend to consist of four main symbols linked with arrow that show the direction of a flow. Elongated circle, which signify the start or end of a process. Rectangles, which show the instruction or action. Diamonds, which highlight where you must make a decision. Parallelograms, which show input and output. Here we can see the some of the example for the flowchart. The symbols, simple one, arrow lines used to connect the symbols. Then terminal used to start, pause or halt in the program logic. Input or output represent the information entering or leaving the system. Processing represent arithmetic and logic instruction. Decision represent decision to be made. Connector used to join different flow lines. Subfunction used to call functions. You can see a small example of two numbers, sum of two numbers. First one we are starting with start. Read n1 and n2, sum equal to n1 plus n2. Print sum, stop. To find the student's grade, pass or fail. This is the decision making program. You can start enter a marks. If mark is greater than 50 means it yes, display pass. It is less than 50 means display fail. Then end the process. Programming language. As we know, to communicate with a person we need specific language. Similarly, to communicate with computer, programmers also need a language. It's called a programming language. Programming language is one kind of computer language and are used in a computer programming to implement algorithms. Most programming language consists of instruction for computers. A programming language is a computer language that is used by a programmers or developers to communicate with computer. It is set of instruction written in any specific language, that is C, C++, Java, Python, etc. You can see the computer languages as low level language means that is a machine language, use zeros and ones to create instruction, that is binary language. Middle level language, that is the assembly language, use mnemonics to create instruction, assembly language. Now it's a high level language similar to human language, COBOL, Fortran, BASIC, C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Low level language. Low level language is machine dependent zeros and ones programming language. The processor run low level program directly without the need of compiler or interpreter. So the program written in low level language can be run very fast. Low level language is further divided into two parts, that is machine language and assembly language. Machine language is a type of low level language, low level programming language. It is also called machine code or object code. Machine language is easier to read because it is normally displayed in a binary or hexadecimal form. It does not require a translator to convert the program because computer directly understand the machine language programs. Assembly language. Assembly language is also a part of low-level programming language that is designed for specific processor. It uses an assembler to convert the assembly language to machine language. High-level programming language. High-level programming language is designed for developing user-friendly software program and website. This programming language requires a compiler or interpreter to translate the program into machine language, execute the program. High-level programming language includes Python, Java, C++, C. Thank you everyone.